Pet Sound Guy here with a speaker cleaning quick tip. We got a plain old wire brush, and we're going to take that to that speaker. You know, you always have a set of these kind of speakers hanging around with the carpet covering on them, and they always end up looking like this. You know, they're always full of weird stuff from the club, you know, hair and dust and dirt, and you know, they all get all peeled up like this. So, plain old wire brush, right from the dollar store. I like these kinds. It's just a plain old $3 wire brush, and just take that and start brushing. See the dust and dirt come out of that carpet. Keep going in one direction. This is a trick that I come up with while working in rentals. Start brushing in one direction. You'll start to notice on the corners and the edges. Those speakers will start to look one heck of a lot better. You can also run them over the vacuum cleaner after that. With elbow grease, a little bit of time, and you see how much better those speakers start to look. If you got to do a wet end, or these are actually getting repurposed into another part of the bar these came from. I want them to be looking a lot better than they were. So I brushed all the carpet. I'll vacuum them up a little bit. Pull those pills off. And I'll pull these corners off and wire brush all those and get a quick shot of paint. These speakers are going to be pressed back into service for a new lease on life. So keep it dancing. So you can see your before. See how the pills are on that. And then you got your after. Here's a great after shot of the same speaker. I brushed down with the wire brush. Gave it a good vacuuming, and I pulled the corners off. And gave them a shot of the flat black paint. And there you go. You've got a speaker that looks that much better with not much time and effort. A little bit of vacuuming, a little bit of wire brushing. All ready for your wedding or your corporate gig. Or repurposing into another part of the bar where they need to look better.